So here, this is my website. In my website, how to promote using LinkedIn ads. That is called, if interview asking question, how to drive my traffic on my website using LinkedIn ads. That is called, this is my account. First of all, we can create our company page. In every company page, we have the ad open will be there. So every ads created by our company page. So already I'm creating my account. Click for this one. The option call is create campaign. In this one, we can go option call is text ad. Will be option will be there. That is called drive traffic from your the desktop with the easy to create ads. The ads will be showing will be like this. Go to LinkedIn profile. Here they can show option will be like this. C1. So that's so benefit India promoted. When this click, an option will be there. Apply. Now they're going to wear our website. In this so form. Just in this one here, I can drive my traffic where our this one. See here. Easy create your ad, drive quality traffic leads, pay for only for ads that work per clicks or per impression. That is called CPC, cost per click, cost per mile. That is called cost per impression. We have the two costs will be there. Now click for select. Here, select your company group, company name, RTS, clicks, select your language, click for next. In this one, in this text tab, you can promote two options, your company page or your website. First of all, add my website URL, add your image. Now click for digital marketing service for contact. Digital marketing services. Here, please write down. Title will be 25 characters. Description will be 75 characters. The ad will be showing on square, horizontal, and long. Now, click for save. Ad was created. Next one, create another ad. Now here, this is your website URL. Just we have the option will be there. Go to services. I can go to a particular page, services, or I can may go to the contact us page also. I'm clicking for contact us page. They go to your page here. Just wait for a second. Is my page, contact us. Copy this URL. Just paste it. Now here, you can add it for digital marketing agency. For digital marketing services in Madhapur. You can call to this number. Now add your image. The image any image we can take. Automatically take for resize it. The image was selected here. Done. Ad will be square, horizontal, and long. Now click for save. You can create by two ads. One is called customer services. Second will be digital marketing agency. Now click for next. You can select your audience based on location and based on your company name, industry, and everything. Here, so this is my potential traffic. This is my place. This is my audience expansion. Based on the audience, the expansion will be automatically will be increase. The option will be here. Not required. Check this option. LinkedIn tools may be not used to declaration for because your personal characterization. So they can show you. That is called they not expand your ads. They can promote only for this potential estimated traffic. Suppose you decrease your traffic, simple one here. Select your age. Here this option will be there. So the option will be not showing to the LinkedIn ad. Just leave it. Select your gender or you have experience and number of skills. So you can skill here. You can target only for digital marketing. See how many pools are there? 3 lakhs 80,000. After that, add your enable your extension. Click for next. Your complete traffic decided by your these options. Now click for your next. We already discussed your campaign decided by the cost per click and cost per mile. Cost per mile. Default budget is 500. Cost per click. Default budget will be 500. See the difference. Cost per click. How much will be cost per click? 85 rupees. Cost per mile. Each impression, how much charge will be? 35 rupees. This is the different. Impression nothing but you can see your ad. That is called impression. If anybody click, that is called cost per click. Now see here, I can go with I can looking for lead generation. That is called cost per click. But I can promote my website traffic. That is I can promote my ads. That is I'm going to the cost per mile. Nothing but cost per impression. Now click here. Select my budget 500 per click. I'm go with this 35 rupees. Start immediately ad. Click for next. Each impression how much charge? 35 rupees. Add your details. Click for your review your order. So right now I'm not give the my campaign information. So that is called my account will be hold. Now here just go to my company page. Status will be on hold. Reason is I'm not adding the amount. Go to the current status. Just come to my campaign here. My campaign will be active, but is not running my campaign. See this active. Click for pause. Click for pause. See this. Active creative will be 3. Active will be 2 here. See this. Is it clear? This is called you have creating for drive traffic on your website using LinkedIn ads. The option will be called text ads.